Hi beauties, how are you doing? Welcome back to another tutorial, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieve these twists using rubber band method. Before I do anything guys, let me take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. You guys, you're so special. You have shown me a lot of love and I really appreciate. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell. So straight to the video, I started by preparing my hair. I just take down flat twist I did last night after I washed my hair, just to make sure my hair is stretched. And guys, if you have trouble on how to part your hair, you have to make sure you have two mirrors, one front and one back. This will guide you on how to part your hair. You'll know like where you're supposed to add hair, where you're supposed to reduce, how big section is supposed to go ahead with, and this will be more easy more than using only one mirror. And I'll part big section. The hair I use in this video is expression, and I use 2 packs of expression, long 82 inches, and I use color 1. I unbraided the braiding and then I cut into 2 equal parts. Then I stretch my hair before I go ahead and start braiding. But if the hair you're using is already stretched, no need to stretch. Just go ahead and use it. And another secret, if you cut your hair, when you are brushing, brush from down to avoid losing too much hair. This is how the hair looks like, and I will also use rubber band to secure every section. I apply some shine and jam gel, and then I separate my hair into 2. Then this is the amount of hair I'll be using in every section. I put the braiding hair in the middle and I use rubber band. I secure the section well. Don't tie too much because later on you have to make sure the braiding they are even before you start braiding. So after I make sure the hair they are even, then I pull more just to pull the hair and make the hair looks clean and neat. Then I hide my hair in this braiding hair. I roll in opposite direction. Then I start make twists. When you're making twists, you have to make sure you roll both sides to get even twists. Let me turn in front section so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. I make sure I roll both sides and I roll them in different directions, then I twist. If you do that, you'll get even twist, but if one side you roll and other side you are not rolling, you'll get one twist bigger than other, and this will be very easy for your braiding to unravel. So you have to make sure you wrap both sides before you twist, because you don't want your twist to unravel before time. Make sure you twist it till almost end and then take a very small section, then secure your hair well, and this is how this style goes. And since you know what, this style is very easy to achieve, no matter you know how to braid or you don't know how to braid. If you have braiding hair and rubber band, trust me, you are going to achieve this hairstyle because this is very easy easy method is to follow, and you can braid your entire head for only 1 hour or less than 1 hour if your hand is a bit sharp. For me, I use 1 hour to braid my entire head. You can see how easy it is because here I'm going with the big section. So every time after I finish secure my hair with a rubber band, I make sure I separate my natural hair into two, and each section goes in one braiding hair section. Then I roll the braiding hair with my natural hair in to avoid my natural hair to show out. And you may decide either to put curl if you want end of your twist, or you may decide to just go straight, braid till end. That is option, completely option, says depending on how comfortable you are to go with your style. When I make lines, the first time I will try as much as I can to make straight line, then I'll add a little gel just to help me to make more straight line, and then I make a line again after I put a little gel. Here you can use any kind of gel that works for you. The first section I make sure I make a little thin because here you are going to tag in your edges. Don't tag your edges in because it's very easy to break your edges. And then take a rubber band, secure your section. After that, make sure the hair it's even before you go ahead and start braiding. Also, don't forget to tag in your hair. So after I separate my hair into two sections, then I roll my hair in with the braiding hair. After I finish the first section, I go ahead and roll again the second section and continue make twist. Though the hair I'm using is black, not so easy for my hair to show out, but as you know, natural hair is very easy to show out, and it's very easy for somebody to notice it when it comes to hair show out. So I tried as much as I can to avoid those kind of things. That's why I make sure I tag my hair in before I start make twists. But if your hair is a relaxed hair, it's very easy. You don't need to tag your hair in because your hair is almost same with braiding hair. But for us, especially for natural hair, my dear, you know how hard it is when it comes to braiding. Here I decided to show you how I roll the hair and how I put my hand to make it easy for you to braid in the middle. And the most important here is direction of your twists. Make sure you roll both sides before you start make twists. No matter which position, back, middle, front, your twist, they'll come out just the same. Honey, here I almost done. This is the last section. I make sure I divide my hair into two, then I put braiding hair, I tag in, then I roll my natural hair with braiding hair, then I start make twist. Up to this point, since I use 2 packets of braiding hair. Yes, I use 2 packs of expression braiding hair. To make sure my hair slick well and the braiding hair really clean, because I have some other very thin hair is very hard to cut, and it's very hard also to braiding. So I go ahead and apply some hair moss to my entire head, just to make sure everything there clean and neat. And then I take a scarf and I cover my hair for a very short time when I'm doing my makeup. And guess what, sis? I'm here. This is the final result for today's video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and share. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.